AVX 9286 series wire-to-wire poke home connectors were developed as a cost-effective, flexible, and easy-to-use alternative to traditional plug and socket connectors in industrial wiring applications. The 9286 series is available in through-wire or junction box variants, with up to 8 positions accepting 18 AWG to 26 AWG wires for maximum flexibility. The connectors are available with a shrouded push button for easy wire insertion or extraction, or in a reduced size connector with direct insertion and twist and pull extraction. Even with their small size and simple functionality, the connectors maintain high wire retention force. The connectors can also be reused for up to 5 mating cycles, simplifying repair and maintenance work. The 9286-300 series poke home connectors extend the benefits of the 9286 series to wire gauges up to 12 AWG.